March, the Tosso Ediasa. The 30th of March, 2023. I mention me mami, anti comfort. Me jidi also ohoye. A Greek wamase na oti. Amna fe. Nana bafo. Nana bafo e minu apei. Ono ane de no nana bafo. So ono ane so de. Nana bafo businessman. Bafo na kase dimu. That was another. Because bafo na kase dimu. Yes, it. Ono combine two you so obroso. No pie.
Obroso ani eja ho.
Nana bafo was about shadow pay. But on the dark side of life, your life, shedding. Why? Oh no, sisters, no shedding. I'm here, Adoma. Now, if you are done, the moment done the question, your life designs, your life, Odoma me eko tumpem. And yet, market to so, but mine in pa nafi the ekoni. It's not a joke. Into your life, Onyame Adoma, okokata ma vida equia anani kokata nechi. To our friend Ole. Ebekosu ewo ne residence Penkwasi New Domas Union at 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. at Netumpem echine fie. Na ne memenda no so the 1st April no. Yakope ne Krabia. It's a private burial. It was Sekwa. Na ebusiafo abetina Jubilee Park from 1 to 6 p.m. Na fi the question that was said share ewo the late Vida Equia nane until lay the fee ewo Penkwasi Domas Union ehona ebekokotina the question that the busiafo ne adofo nyina enhye ne so your life designs only nuanom your life wabeboa bro half of mine sa abre na bro half ti mejiri se yesu ebekọ akota na chi na akokata ne mami achi kama ya ono sisters ne unuame mani na yako chairman of Fusuan Pofonso nyame adoma efiada memenda na kwasiada wokofrodia Jubilee Park chairman of Fusuan Pofo kane no ye NDC amanyuku no ona na oye won titinani ene ne mame da fom one ni nuanom nyina efasa akwanya wo so ni nuanom madam comfort oye okuforia Stephen Reeves Odame GS Bono region honorable Samuel Ofosuampofo kane titirani ma NDC amanyuku no Vivian Ofosuampofo or US of A anafe Kingsley Ofosuampofo so US of A one nyina no aka bom eka wo se be ka ho na one maame the late Mary Jeubia Bedu Auntie Mary asemna making one copy the Krabia Saturday 1st of April Abusha 4 Tenasidi for or Jubilee Park 7:30 a.m. copy 6 p.m. na yakope ye maame Krabia wo Achim Edukrum Cemetery kokone tuntum ana edidi djuma no na ne kwasia da no so no fita ani tuntum ne de bedi djuma kwasia da no ye be kon na awufusum ewo eye nasia sorry ewo Emmanuel Presbyterian Church Allotown Kofrodia eno no ashenso je ne fita ani tuntum ti yenhye no so ne kotai chairman Ofosuampofo echi na bibibia nkokama. Lots of them, Mr. Pepranso are freeland and Naba. Also, Ubekata Mamiachi or Jubilee Park, Ukumase, this very Saturday. Mr. Pepra, Yako Kesepana, Yede Emma. Well, baby, it's so honor, na baby, so serious, Ashe, Ebinum Afruma, whichever the situation is. Radima Yina, what dear, they be cope with. And paying pa ba konso nyame na Adom wadi 50 years. 50 years. Lawyer Akwesi Poku oye Director of Legal Ghana Cocoa Board Wefree Achi or MPS Tema Port or say nyadi obitime yi mu ebreti see mu onim nipa wo ye ene se de se agina chi wona brabo mu ne de waye amakoko board adwumaku na nkasa enti the boss oh your boss right
me papa, me wofa, or me mentor, me bibia.
Oh, really?
Say group me so I make come there. And your by accident will be Pia.
Oh, wow. So, happy birthday, Lawyer Akwasi Poku, Director of Legal, Ghana Cocoa Board, Wilfrey Achi, MPS, and surprisingly, I didn't even know. Say, Amansia South, Mensing Cratching, so, say, na, oh, yeah. Odishia ba prekope nti we de mewie media megire se Clement Opoku Jemfi Mensing Cratch ma Amansie South enso de ne de beto so mema na kwa abade but ye hwe anim se Bernard Enim PSC ono so beba be kayensa na yetimi adi yenkomo no ewa han se. If you've just joined, I Badwam on Adom TV, multi TV, so all about kwaba.
You in your mind.
Good. Mamifа we twam quickly appear stadium gusubo en kai se na no da ne nkomo bi odi o kasafidie so no de ho chel power ba na ho se dipa bi ne mo eda so ede mfiafia ho bi ede bi fra ewura eye John Dramani ma se ono share the kutupa o se honest obekoso asre se munyi kane mampanyi di film na afi ono ankasa so ne sada ne sayem nkotodwe prekope wapa chow wapa Ghana fo achow wapa NDC amanyuko na chow wapa Mensing Cratch for dom kuma for no opa omocho the character na bedo abontina that ono aso video na beto abontina that it has nothing to do with the former president John Dramani Mahama nti montina se na function oba kwa
yenu ya man
na ekase umpeso aso tesen oho na ano da mekoka se wasi police station na o obi antim, is that correct?
You're correct, 100%. My son, because our conversation, no, the boss birthday. My say, you can't. Akwasi Poku who has some. Wow, no, no, Jumada. Now, wow, man, that won't ni pursue. Or yeah, principled and a disciplinarian. Say, when I Jumada, na one who Juma, na one year discipliner. There's a nyame ammo say brabe discipline wo wiase the time consciousness because say bibia na de bi wo bia no a prim and proper person my friend of Akwasi so the Akwasi Opoku me de Kwame Poku yes it should tell you the year war me no entem o chere madwuma me ne nipa bibri adwuma de okoko board but he's one person me phone e be sine my store needing boss. Say ono I am a boss. Lawyer Francis Akwasi Opoku, the Director Legal Services and Solicitor Secretary for Ghana Cocoa Board. We are a fantastic man, and they were 50 years. And he of Akwasi, we there Mijina.
Because I a young man.
Mijina a
young man.
Yes,
piano because as a more years ahead.
Nim dear, and na ho fama odi ye na no pay empire me boman say onyankopon onto ne pono o na tamfo anim na ne kuwa enyema emuso na yie ne adoye enkoso ani na chi kofi se ubewu ne nkwana nyina amen so bagosi me ne ma Sandra
amen
ene me nuanu ma aka nyina amen me ma me yakon du uwa unu aba obi a ye nyina ese ma official papa enko emetoye and the why aba me bia beniso enye nche se ujai of Akwasi to so na ma me dase okay so you bet me police station
so what's happening what's the police dying and police form person meeting no money man collaborate here what's the problem
my me dase wash yasa share free me persuaso de ma me chia me persuaso fo nyira titru ne me hemfo wo ho nana manso kwanta mai ni nana bikusi nana opia mensa otoso mienu otumfo rempe hine ne hemfo akesia akanyina chi obi bia me krom hine manso de bia hine me chia no me chia me constituency chairman so chairman ko fia champo o my police station see no enti said you will see school dan a bia wa obetim do drawings bia akwakoye no the police station see na ye security dan na wusi nti wuntimi ma ho so na
say pass was bibia
no akoye design bi ana say said you open bi afize wusi sell no kra na sell no mo wo specifications bi or say soro no kra no say ya brosign na wusi o say ya brosign na wusi o sell no soro no be flow e dey iron rods na dey ahihim even ventilation kwan befa so ebebam any window size window level ni nyina police for na dey be mo nti mean sorry say o kwa akosi police station e dey ama police for wa bra omo estate for no any woni nkita ho nti ye no bibia yi bia ni o ma na eye nti so ka dey metimi aka wo ho no na o ma dan ye sie wie mfe mienu ni o etoda just last week na me choma ko tuntukrum me drew ho na mani kura wu dan ni si ho na hu afu police station o police station ye ka hote ha won faso a de brayen even the presence of the police station alone no scare aboneyefo mo peso mu di bone o ma ye ho a statistically no now where said ye bonisem ni ade because predominantly a mining community nti manfra for ababefra nti say tetena na a rural district nti and as a rural community nti yenim ye ho we nim fear we free so nay obitumi tu bata no free my fufuro bi squash no babetena manso no obidi ni djuma ni nyina ye say esan say mining activities cost nti obi ebepe na no aduane nti wuntimi entoto security ase eno na ma ye adwun say ni wosi si police station yes police station 2 years na police for yi mamu omai minim de ebe bi o ba hear first no mo say na police for buy for no beda omai ya tam aban sika akọ high dan obi full house 9 rooms on say mining company na we ho no asanko omo concession ko fa nkofo bi nsa aseso ado mu fees so so best practices ubetu mu nyina then you relocate them not to see dan for amawo nti saa dan no mko sisi ye ni bi ana busua baako ene assembly ne tena ase na ya han dan no 2 years sel ka police for ne ba no mbetinam o ma me no ka say auditors ba ba audit account ya site me ameti hey for causing financial loss to the assembly because sika edia kwakọ hand dan no 2 years no bosumi nsun ni obi anti dan no of course they are justified so because say cause financial loss because what time sika da kwakọ hand dan say police for betrem dan no so obi anti.
What was the basis for that na police for no okọ is that dan for 2 years? What was the basis?
Say police for no be inspection of police station na yes no ana o mo say na police for no ba hefa no betna at least we barracks be more mobile back in the
police for being a inspection.
Oh, me district police commander, divisional police commander, more and some people from more estate departments about no say more pebebia police for no better. And a ma based on that they could hide down. You could hide down anywhere. I shall say the say police station was here finish him. Police for ni sika the babe finish him. No problem. Oh my ye kokko toto nyoma ko gum so for police station na ya finish him nkunya cabinet bibia wum rubber crowd so ata ho je se nipa metina mu tie ntete nti no achi omusa aba no msi da hefa no betina na kwa akoye se obi a ono ya ade no mpese obeye nti uba oka no aka we ya no aka we ene sa tam sika sa ko han dan bio e ko han dan no ma o mu no bosomi nsun e ko bosomi nwotwini o mo mai na o mai otama ban sika ko handan se o de ma aposofo abetenem no mo ma bosom nso auditors ba no mo site wa untimi nka so ma yebone they are justified because they kwa na che say enye oni firu an kwa na aye kana na wa hye da aye say udi sika na ma no abra aposofo bi ametem so mo ba ya na omkoye inspection na indeed police for ni team a omu ni any cost to site you say cause financial loss I hope what say system na say nti we na say be pure auditor general's report na yekeka na moto ha
okay
so DC no what DC ka twitwiri die wata oso sikai amambotom ni nyina ye se ye hwese ye district no mu badwo na dwumadi a ye di no ni nyina ye oba minim radio station and TV station
no, but there no solution to the issue. So on your own, only paying you for no. The animal culture sentiment for copy Benama copy IGP any State Department Ghana Police Service maybe at the headquarters. The animal.
My dad also make us say Danny see a female. Be on him said them yemajuma bia. Ya cheren krata. Nya krata o, ya cheren krata. Nya ba ku yeminu. Nya mi ensampo. San cry a reminder at the call. Minimara, Maminka say, just about 2 months ago, or more day, Pennyfobi Free Estate Department or Ghana Police Service headquarters, a buy. And then I see we 2 years now, I feel almost buy. Almost say, one a dino, police station, blue painting, the painting, and your police blue. Into Yensa color. Now,
after 2 years. But what is the guarantee? Say, almost say you remember this.
I know near some 2. A dialogue crazy, you know. Yeah, almost say answer another room for exhibit to say exhibition.
Yeah, exhibit. No more.
No, mama said me say police station. You see, there are offices in there. She said, "Oh, bow now, bet you say commander office." Because I'm number located. Say commander Tanaha, and I say deputy commander Tanaha, and I say wait. Apart from charge officer. Obviously, you know this is the charge office. You know this is the cell. Apart from these two, any Amri so my woman. The office be Akabia. If you want to change it to an exhibit room, even once you are in, you can do it. But I know some be idea. As I bet you okay now. As at Nra, me engineers more but the pictures are sending me say, Oma collapse one of the offices at the year. Exhibit.
So which people are giving the instructions? From the region or from the headquarters?
Between free division, but the last one I buy the free headquarters and I buy. So I insisted, say, Omofa letter to that effect, Emra. Until we are working.
What notify Omo about the challenge you have because you can't call you say, oh no, what buy because of whatever interpretation they will put.
Yeah. My regional police commander. He say regional Kumachim police region no sababe yemiensa first na ne nyina ye wo Kumasi Central no me kai se me name himfo akese miensa hyeda ko the then regional police commander no ho ne kwatena ase kwa kan bibia the letter atache ye beba ya ma ansa na recently ya che police region no miensa ye bebia ye wo no ye ya bebenya Ashanti South ye headquarters ne bekwai nti yasan akọ ho no money regional police commander na owo ho no asan akọ akodi nkomo ama wagya tum se ombehwe ama aposifo no ebeba. It's been 2 years and counting. 2 years no cry as at last year November. It is equal. Yes,
so the State Department headquarters what here from who?
I don't know the krataba say young exhibit room.
No we are aware so now we put that structure together.
Oh yeah. They should be aware. They can't tell me they are not aware.
They supervised it.
Yes, of course.
They gave the green light.
Yes. On my police station, yes, wow, because you feel. What do you mean? And you're fit for purpose. I'm moving to. What do you mean? Sorry, I said walk or so. Now, source of funding now. Scanner, baby, yes, can see a 3DC police station. I'm surprised. So much on my ID. Minerals Development Fund. I want to my says scanner. The too many scout the mine, no, we fancy police. To us, the assembly had to even top up. They see police station is one. Police station, yes, you know, cell be a toilet and bathroom. Monkai have police station sells toilet and bathroom. Obi us memoir that will be home. We go back at him cry. Now you get see an ultra-modern police station, and I'm surprised IGP. Because Obafo I think Okonima police station. So Kasaka say why do you put a lot of people here? In fact, baby say be umbeje umanani adokra. Na ye baby we. Nyame aso ye dae ameti si police station. O my toilet and bath a room 3 cells. O my wo cells aye de say akwara bi are below the age of 18 enya asemwa oni abanya asemwa de ba ko sie yem fa ne nkonko companyfo no ye san so wo seller e ma nko adea ansa na wo mpanyfo ye mema nso de nti ye wo 3 cells and was our police station na o ma ye tena ho na se ye me ya ade no na da bia ko se kasa tenten nkomo a ye di o ma wan hwe ya mesa ba bi oni o sa ba bi sa me ho asem bi oni gusudi because yaka izeno se yem fa nye ye media school ne be ya bia me de kg bi ne be pa because man son cry hoda dey for krom hia kg can I see a convert in the kg
ekuna e wo so no
oh yeah can I see a convert the kg ama wo ba the kg nye ntra nke de be kg ama wo and immigration service commander wo ho so de krata abrem say
omuhia
say ya na omo ma omuhia but me kwame to me and nyina to me so say
Matthias
converted yes of course you know was say about mineral development fund for because krata de buy say mama is can you say the police station na mineral development fund maba na bibia na ade
immigration
abe immigration my ni no crunch ro me to me nyesa e kina bi no bo so auditors bi oni asa site me oh eno mo kan say
kakra say obey you know this you work
say misallocation say misappropriation oni atwere bro for 10 na me na me ho akere me you know you look at all those you know balances na wo na
okay, so but how well are you managing your district in terms of the last time I checked? Na Kwasinsia Asemidika or the I think I even called out your name or the Sukubi a war Akwasi Uba Kaima for school to Kakramna fi Kaima Kakramna or the Sukubi a war I think is it Framantem? Yeah, it also na Nkwada 140 no near war a Nkonya 20 inti asempa na ye primary school you know e was Sojaman you know Sojaman ya was Sojaman you know and kwada mako 140 no enkonyo omote so ye 20 so clearly we am say Debbie I remember I think last year or last 2 years obaya was say wow initiative say unim nipa so free man so e honomo until you think that you know, I want you to take this opportunity, in all humility, to also talk to some of your DCs and MCs. Any ekromani be, you know, because I mean, me from Kenya, that's the Matisse school. Yeah, tour, and I'm a cause school being quite the homophones tour, try the end side of na me am what's our contribution. What makes me a proud member? Say, be free a year of Kenya, say 1 and 2, you know, it can be done. So sometimes most men crash for no. Mumu binu so I don't know forgive me but o ka omo don't mean cancer. Mumu binu so ho ahomte. Si esi wa na etwen common fan. Si esi wa obotantim. Aban fasika ma initiatives are boy. Mu ankasa nso mo ni nipa ho kitangudie wo mo potem ni mo nkura kitin. Difficult. This is about Cantan Cross. Why you say kutu. You know, it's very worrying. I don't know what you would tell them before probably about ABD and common. So it's very, very worrying. So you have to speak to them. You have to.
Oh my, my boss, I know the birthday, lawyer Kosi Opoku. Or Kasembi chairman say leadership is a skill and it's a star. Nti o hobi bre egu ho ase okotom pabwa. The air offer we. Nti wankasa wo at any point in time. The over beboa na why said o man na wo kan last year February and also o man we answer February there adofo that show some love.
So you took advantage of the February month.
Yes. And you know some month you see yes o yemfa just 1 month nyina ho na yemfa nye ngigis kakra appeal for fund na yemfa nto nkonya na yemfa support district no o man say said ye ni nipa ho kita hudie tie ene ma wo ye bibia obi nso so ebeyi na nima na so obenya saa akoma pane se oba be support enye obia na oye bibia o ma minimo wi o ye party nipa kora anko to party obia me di kora o ma anko ene nyina ye said ye oni nipa kita hudie etie se ye se gigi skadi ato nkonya e di ama school foi se nyu obia ne tua ba ma fo so tua wo uti we me ba wo ha mbetena ha ye ka ho asem wi e wi ana o ma miska Skano so na ye were dedicated momo ayi a kokugu so wie ya na nyina akọ ya account say ni nyae na ye nkunya ne de ma school for no me wo namfo bi a me no kase kura no omo nso so kura fa akire say omo identify school back wo me district ho a omo hu se nkunya enim nti omo that classroom no omo akasa ede afatu omo ho so a omo
we kwa omo free ho
David omo free omo tenkan
that's how beautiful it is
omo ne assemblyman no kura lazy assembly scam assemblyman ti bo ho na assemblyman frame say honorable nkofo bi aframe se fina me dwene ho ti be meje number na hu so nkofo Malik ne nkofo mrantie bi o mate say on say mi slogan e nyame ne hene ti o mo aka bom no mate tim nyame ne hene so o ma send this scam na oye nkunya o ma yo ma se bia easter say assemblyman ni ti me ye wi de ko ma ma ko bi ano fefefe enti o ma ya sa na tie say enso na mu yi obi ye na ade ya so ye kakra e de kokobwa
let me appeal because sometimes yen so o mind mu for no a certain responsibility on our part ye share the buye ni guso ebi wa na ya semfo sebi hintia but who could do once na chi bebrebe a obiri ukuru at the expense of nipa bi mo mu yan moa di obi ade bi adameka you are blessed not for yourself so nyami hirawo sikasemu bibibie mo a mpendo do na ohamu abupen kesipa no as I say ankro impact society. That is all we have to live. Abrabon nyina ayebo nyina no ensunsuanso a obegya akire no na the most important thing. Itu ba ye Ghana mampanyi a yebodi a yebota DNT yebodi ni afio. Obaye soafo a yebodi a obaye mensin kracha, obaye panyipa wadwuma bi ma, obaye sentroni, obaye dwadini a all of us. Debi adameka there is a certain responsibility on all of us to carry out. Now I ensure say ubeje dimpa. If you say dimpa ye chen ahonya. It's very important. The mensin kracha for the one ma. Moto so any. Ye born so a DC and as a MC, No initiative. Apart from say by this keba. Amane dey di so on sim brainstorm here and thinking outside the box and cassette. Say school where so apa here. Bi nko yi assembly cry sika. Me am fa kwan bi. No yen kra twman so okomo. Oni kromo asikafo ni nyumaku ahodo nyina twman so. So DC, now do you see improvement? Oba wa mana betisu o chairman peyin. DC kakra na e dia fem no.
Yeah.
Wa mana betisu o chairman peyin. DC no the doors here closed. Onya accessible. Hey, mo power dia, ma obra say the money Christo nsusu bi animu. Munya power ni wi a na ya be ye nkoa asasom. Mercy creative for brio, they are unapproachable. 3x4 position we can you. And ye pejam call the end only be really pepe. Ye pejam call the end only be really pepe. Now we pony now I'm more criticizing than other than go for. Now who DC cry the watcher? Tia besre. Ye nso timem fo no. Ufri ahafu Kenya ase. Ufri ahafu. Ufri framantem, ufri freemantem, poemantem, onyame ato nsem wa bless whether in cash and I say or nyansem. Most will contribute to the development of obi kwa ferese o free man so one of the say
manso
dubia obi fere
obi am fere
na me say obi kwa fere
obi dubia ko papa say
obi ferese o free half obi ferese o free framantem it o pepa na chikura o free nkran even of you
ufri nkran obenya yi
ufri nkran even obenya wa
obenya yi
so me say mensin catching you say akaze ebinim say fantastic we have this Elembele young man very fantastic man. So yesremo yes ye bekase bia munim de mo ye na say but yesremo madaroma want to turn your money because one is the key our local governance we are very relevant to the development of this country and for the development of this country yesremo madaroma mo hera mo to turn your money na bia ntimi kokama once again my menka was chairman of Usompo for year this weekend Koforidia Jackson Park and Mr. Pepra also free London about also Mammy, you know, this weekend. And also Jubilee Park, Kumasi Prempa Assembly Hall. Mammy, the late Cobner, Pacho, Monko time, Mr. Pepra, on neba, Juliet, Emmanuel, Lawson, Monko time, much na bibi and Monko Kama and Fabo. Aqua, but one part, who watch a papa.
My name is
Benadenim PC. Who not you? Me, you are preoccupied me, who take me. Say, only Bernard. It's only Bernard.
Oh, no, yeah.
They will say, I'm shooting Bernard.
Would there man come in and answer me? A bra, assess me, my son, you be free. A bra, now your position.
Yeah.
Nam call radio, call Mosista station. Yeah. Now, me catch and say, Charlie 2016, you be win you. Also, move through position. In your mind. Me can't say the pa. Senior Kai, Saba stop. Also, Munya Mai.
Sabe no troubles for national headquarters.
I tell us after the judge them all. The BBS pay you.
When you a friend, police headquarters are next.
What's the other police for who? Who's a police one yes.
Two commanders. Kakra.
Oh, no, party be a come.
Oh, you. Yanko Pandum.
Yes, surprise. Overcome shock.
Oh, well. Sebi you ever never. Sinabisi are managing a fanani.
But are you happy with how you guys are managing? And your man, because no coming was say MPs most able. On my year say press conference do a parliament or say how you do some more tata no say a muntaka more tata. Now face me also pay for no. Me say ya no.
Me nim say when you na subi when you na subi a obetimi dey abetu gwa say sad na koso dia. But
from where you sit observing my reaction to the echoes no is it line and BBI kama.
Oh BBI kama because of say party no we shall obia woni role a play. There were parliamentarians who will pray. There were friend national executive so there's a way. Now political party biano near hold them together. Yeah. More ideals and principles. It is a party no jetum says hardiness ye. Na muntu no kwasesa e de yaoba in discipline. Party biano tries of discipline. Inti no say ekoba say eba se na ekoye na enya de a eye ahodwo. Menim say won a odi say adwuma no bonganya ho no sa na metin kan me munin because ohwe ne course na enye NDC no odi no hama odi Ghana nyina hwamo
the course
oh you because there was civil society organizations bebre they bought into that idea o susu say be Ghana kono ense say o mampanyin or ye business as usual eze me appointed sa bra we ni abre say o kwa pescaf baby abeye o man na won sanka no na watwe ni abefia abehwe say man kasa nso se bio mente wasa men sache me dem fam mo wakwa amen so me faso nya scan kakra internally nti kwa be na me faso a me boss scan ho ban nya se da bia se meetings na meeting sa amen fa nye bribi e dem faso beba nti e ho ne de enye ndisi nkwa na ye di yawo Ghana fo do donara e decide no ho ya
e de na be ma mo nipa binimo ate atua ewo mo hyehyɛ ne mo gidie so
we say nka ne awo kan menim nka me hye ase kan de dada say yi ne yi nti na ba sa be de nem nim ane say
da bi badie nyina no so ka se bi wo ba dom ku a ye wo gidie ye wo ni suade hu enti ne nim ane say ne be ma woti ma tia wo sa
nim ane say anka sa da no na ne esi no anka ensi na ka any opposite say nka NDC for ewo parliament ebenya MPP fu bi kura ba be ka won ho am won vote no etia say nipa na no appoint nye nipa no sabe asem ko enye won as a person and our persons no nana amanfo empe won asem na mum ne aye kan say aban appoint nipa bebre a emesika na enyu nkono mfaso titiri bi anche dem fim ma am pass a ministry bo hono ma we ye then you can never do away with it ministry kese nipa she won aseso trading nyina industries nyina na ye kan kuafo na de nyina nanso na opportunity a ye nya ye betimi eso aban ne pechi se wanye saade dia saade nso ye mfa mawo because aban no ye titintinti ni osusu say eye ne fe na no kwa no ye enya ne Ghana fo hwe enya ne bebo Ghana mpuntu nti nke bi mpa ye be pene so ama sankrofo na ba akwakoye won adwuma de nanso ye be say ban ne be ye niema bi obey the needful say sa didi because ministry bi wo bebre a wan kasa kra betimi abodin sabi o sabi entimi nsumo man yi wo kwan papa bi aso sa sanitation ministry who say adwuma wo ye no say ye local government adwuma na akoja yo say ye hina works and house and adwuma na wo yo obi ntimi hu enso edreni o man iska na no isa oti na esi so ankrofo kok gales won ko say na osi prapra gotemufa eyi sabi legacy ben ye ni so ade hu ben enso edren no man iska enti ko man pe be kaso sa de make man manage ministry be bi nga na bi sembi enti bia na mo kan na mesom metu hu ana mo eni okay ya ma kwan won appointees Adom buy no ya pene so won ko non ko ehwa adwuma so na me can say what ya say enti eye bibia ke use as bargaining chip na yetimi atwe oman no asi bebia say digina because o ja ban ne say de bia onya ne free will na person ye bia no bia ma ne kwan no nye de bia emwo man ne mpuntu because aban ye nya ban a otie on tese President Mahama ban no so be kaya President Mahama ban ne de o kape otie no yi de nya sa no tenen on kwa on time twen ma o me cancer oba ho be bisa say Kofi chirema den na person ususu ade hu den so o kai na mamu say na ko fai ana mo tu bia no so wo me anya stakeholder consultations mo ye stakeholders mo di mutintima mo mra ne yenhia yen kan adwumbom o ye ne severally eno so nti ne ya twefa yen bu ya yentime nko IMF de dada yi President Mahama Abreso na fa because on ya manfu hia chire na dwen ye homegrown policies nti ya kono ne ye kura ne ayan kase susu se betimi ya ye e dia generate revenue internally etim dia pesca wo magnum ne dia cut cost ne nangana ba kono kura yintimi e ma so nwie ye ne akogana akomanya
okay so me that
ya party ne de emu ye papa
emu ye
papa
because my who say do for a threat because of the cost of parliament you cannot trust mo delegates no because munyina magia tum because munyina notable people within the party what they can asi henewie e bra yenye but the cost they understand that am ho adwiri mo
oh ye ho de adwuru ye na nea mekasi so say won a wo yes ade no em say won refill won ho kakra fa bi de me pese meja atom say sika bi sesansa say sika bi na manfo bi je na moto saba me pese meje asem na atom because me ni nyina so na say te saje a won refill won ho kakra because yen nuanom MP before yen won si akan no edna bi beba
omri be free
one no beka into contest so we say no pan ho now we new primaries now be na somebody pan o kan go just kan on their campaign at yaw nti sabi na panfo kan o so gwanten o so say abonten o say ni bia ho nti eno na me de bebo nkoko
okay lots of text messages about a project from all over the country dodona bo abaso dodona so the infonyina ba omonso private people initiate a esenka aban nkofo musi omanem omonsi toilet facilities omonsi stores ni nyina no akeka hono but they appreciate we crash mention crash for how do say enipa bi mo ayekra do say omo pese omo be boa na mo ebia na musu ne mo ban ne mo ne ye bi and to the Ghana Police Service manso adubia a hot project that's IGP wadaroma COP yohonu all the top hierarchy COP Kofi Boachi CID Mami Awabe to Mr. Wadaroma we mo ana mo ka mo fa signal enko Ashanti region which is a chem 3 the mo de
Ashanti South mo fa signal enko na Momo Modian to one. It's been supervised by one estate department. So worrying, especially when he's been audited and says causing financial loss. You know, just but when they just put off your partisan representation, now if you mind the Ghana picture on common fund assemblies, you know.
Nam gaze meka ministerial nominees bi
oze
ka me
dia da si bi minister de omo ye nyina ye kan
so waka bena ani mpiesie
otia
ontia ko na
enti ka wo how was the kind no Ah, ni sem no kan
fi asem e see we scared the member mention no more you see na say nka ba kro fi asem
u fi asem de u bedi
yes
but
the fi asem
say Kumasi Central yi kejiti ho ahyi
yeah
maami a ne store edi kan ehye ya ekoka de aka nyina wo ma ebe no o hye ne dwumadi ase na ko mu ka kire na aka meka mu nyina je betima di efi asem but eno no nchese ye ni ntete ho ehwe de wo ye no o de wo ye o man say mu prayer say at west ye fa ne say ya da sore na ye da sore ye bibi asi na MPP ni ho biu na say mu na mu ye alternative I was say a high ko de mu ye ni say de mu di mu agure de areho en ha gina areho na wo say ayi wish na chi wo mo wish achi wo mo I say wish ye wo broken heart ni wish Oliver Kahn ne trim so broken heart de chi wa timi mie woni a na akwakoda kakra ba wish ne de wish obi ana chi wa se mo akere no bi na chi ndisi fo no o ma na nwene da se alise nka bia nipa mienu miensa bi kura na etoma nominees na nka nye o mo ya say as many as
over
31 38 Charlie that's a party no mo aka say who say agu the party na ho ding na the parliament no so if you cannot shape your people in line and there you say omu new crop of leadership no national leadership no o man futu ni so de be mo mu o dwumade no mu di no omu susu nye too partisan nema bi wo ayemfa national interest no so ni kan on timi nche krata amfa nkoma member of parliament say you are directed to you are directed to the also to wa ayi menua ba bia o restaurant to kuma se friend charity on a can asim bi o say sebi obakwase na de you mate ebo atimoden so we yes mo instruct you na mo direct you no why din o say you mate say you mate emfa mo atimoden to ko gina da kanum no kokoto a o to atiawo sana ekoso nti o man entimi ma say obi ze KT Hammonda hatna parliament since 2001 ibi sin KT Hammond ni namfo o sa ye in politics here it goes beyond partisan politics relationship no o ma ko school o ma free kurubi o kwa asore o join eku enti KT Hammond wanko senior high school and secondary school bia o mayimana nti sa school no call ya no oni nkofo ye members of parliament o KT Hammond of free region bi o Ashanti region wo di ni MP nti any members of parliament are move free Ashanti region me NDC for KT Hammond trader o kono say MP ben MP development em fan kono krom
ben kasa o tie de o kan eko bia ni gidi ni butai mampanyi matnaka kane mampanyi akase won ni how bia onipa won ko sia kan in fact obi ase fata de entia we de o mayire mu ne se o mampanyi anhwe brai wo mu de Ghana fo binum aka ene de NDC fo gu so ka ene se nipa dodo no mo ya asoafo no ama ye homete de ente so the NDC believes that this is one unique opportunity ebe mama mpenya ate se we de otwo mu tan yente wase ne yente wase china because doable easily doable it is a one year there and yenso yensan na se ku ogidi se we 3 line whip no mo issue here ba ku mienu miensa na che se red alert don't go there is a no go area unu sunsun as a party enya because ube check home now you Judas e was say they need to fish you out because you fish you out it will be at the expense of the party
o ma Judas ni there
Trojan horse
nipa na ono kire ekuo no kura krata no eye omu general secretary Fifi Kwete he is a beneficiary of Sir Judas Asma Woken Fifi Kwete in 2009 you nominated him for deputy minister for finance when MPs yeah just say yento abama Fifi Kwete ye nya nipa ba ku minum koto abama Fifi Kwete na ono a general secretary na o check krata say that time no unim do mo kai o say they voted on their conscience na conscience bi che conscience bi na ne de wo de 38 pe wo kam o man sa asem ne de e non starter kra nti mo ka che say e ma ye nya agric minister o man mu ana e me nya minister for trade ma me kan che say for the first time in so many years you recorded a trade surplus oh my for the first time in so many years I recorded trade surplus oh my and say trade minister ni wa say you call a you trade deficits why the manages our ministry no yes 86 ministers obian can say esa. But the point is, we say intimate ministers, these ministries are now. These are critical ministries. You look at it and say, "My ma, now and 7th January 2021, the CEO of Parliament, in your MPP MP or Koto Abama, Speaker back me and was signing Yoma, signing books in free Parliament, so Kofi, Akko Tenasi, Akko Hen Nanano. Nay, no Ababe Speaker. That's our time. Muntakamo, able to say the strategy worked. They voted on their conscience. And no dear, any democracy. Most democracy won. Na ene de mu da wa akoto dia wish achema ma mo ko ntokwa. O man yent na ho emma NDC party no o mo man no nye ungovernable. Ya to abawi.
Oh their belief is making the country.
Anya believe ba ko pena ye de chekere o man o. Ana make say for bi to say asabi asamo aboaten. Asamo aboaten minister pen o. Why MP so pen asamo aboaten me ne kwa asore wo adabra kakavri asamo aboaten oye quarista o hye kwa atade room nti wu patch say ni NDC MP bi ono oye methodist ni a ono so ye quarista even in the church Calvary Methodist NDC fo bi ba ho the late Emisa Atta ono no ba church at any point in time we so ba sorry a oni ne kura kodi nkomo nti owan partisan relationship no we no to everyone be kodru ye wia na obia o social life obia won affiliations bi o ye nuano mo join brotherhood near that you can never vote against a brother to me enti do oba ya na say I said the charity kind no say I said be obakwase na de you mate gbati modern o come to you mate na ye ntiase you see ye ma ye supporters ntiase say ye mienu ete ha no ye nya atamfo Bernard ni PSA me no watena ka mu atua me case ka ma me pen. Nti Bernard wuti we na na nominate we member of parliament na nominate me for ministerial appointment. Bernard wo kanya me so ko betima to abetia me. Untumi ntuntia me da. O party be issue there dey kwa wonka. Obeye you wo be sa fa eche kwa be ka jem say onkofo so yam tuntia mu ba me to ama. I mean it happens. Sa ne ma dey share supporters ni trimu man yet say ase mienu yete ha ye ko ye nya atamfo e nuanom. Na ayi Sulemuntari ni esi ene ho a omunya namfo. Enye bo na no mu bo. Uni obi munya namfo. Munya journalist. Ne ba ne say na me politician me new politician dey esi ntimi nya namfo. Enye possible. Mo me yanka no krenche nipa. We are friends but different ideologies. Enti say edru ba bia ideology ni be pem no na ye de na Jenapo for no. Enti fa ne say abu ene nominate na John betima atona beti abu. Obetima ye de be 20 obo ko gina wa secondary school ye ni for no omu ne kandi.
Obediri gina.
Ye ni for omu ni kandi. Enti it goes me na obi a wo obedi minister na wo the other side kra utimi o ya approachable obetima kono he obi say Brian Champon. The relationship is fantastic. The human relation don't go there. It's even okay and the vet, you know. I took beside the question. You say, I told you. So now you don't trust me because I feel Brian cry ref. You know, say what's the committee and you? Only a two relationship now. I told doubt it. The credibility and I say nah. But no,
I have very good friends in the MDC as parliamentarians. I know some of them who came to me to say they've been contacted to help the cause for more MPP ministers. Yeah. And I understand one of the mechanisms and a strategy NDC for using is Omati said because Anya Bear and 9 BD we interacted. We were looking at the ups and downs on these matters, you know. No more caso do what I done me a precope. See, I hear in the comb. In fact, a minimum one man, I think a day before the flag bearer of the party invited them and supported them. You know, we were having this conversation. Some of them, it was not financial inducement.
Me not sure financial almighty.
The relationship was beyond a certain line. They couldn't have turned their back.
My memory
me landia. Omo be omo primaries. Oko bantama. Ya down for bako or contest bi NDC tickets. Yeni ni nyini boom. Yedi agurache. Na ye down ho. Boys na ye NDC delegate, omo NDC for me NDC delegates na. Omo ye mek kan say ye nkwara ye nu omo edi akro. Bibia ni a omo so ba me edi nkomo. Ana nkwara na agange say omo ye campaign tia. Ye ya down for no. Me da ho be 5:30 madam for the frame. So Charlie said this is a nkwara na was the no kasa na omo ye adwumatia. Me si jama me. Friday na free man so. Na me ba me free. Man say Jack. E wo me say mo ha na ye wo ha de. Ba adwuma no. Ye nya ne sa. E nua. We ye minua. This a party a enye no akowrem. Na ye wo papa no. Ti mo so mu di na chi dia. Mo wo ne party mu dia. Mo to ma ba man. Fi say mo mutimi ba me ho at any point in time. So no ye minua dia. Enti no me da me kanya say me MPP ni kura no. Ye have influence in NDC elections. The same way NDC for also have influence in MPP elections. Now contesting position be na Bernard PSA Fanessa Bernard me contest wo baby a wote e won kan hanya baby wo free baby wote na minim Bernard relationship said ye na ho famate oni ni pakasa obu owom ese ekwapim ni kura wa ye kwade ni bu be pachose na me be catch Bernard say nkofu bi ati wo fie inside ho no me person mo to baba me Bernard will lead the course upon case of he will lead the course and tell people say I'm a good person so they should vote for me.
Among me that say amemu anya say bio madam funi na no ho ye fenti onko yo mampanyin and onko ye minister anya no no debu man enichi na amemu favoritism and one the course of good governance. Exactly. It is all I said, madam, for no dear. And in a parliament, you man, you undermining the echo because we were whip system. The essence of it, they say, I was say, I bring Biano, you call Anokrum, and I call Ben Krumu. Party no, and a war. And I'm party na Basaso, and I'll be MP. It is a party issue directive. Now, so made me miss on a man, I'm a pa. And you're indiscipline. It's your party nemra. Say, Nemo MPP Mudia, and when this him. Na me jedi say exactly ya call one course there then do go for baby fufuro there's a Trojan horse no betrayer no ushem ne etine say MPP na no ye wo ba bonte be ka say finance minister oti supreme pregi na adwuma a oye no enso ani e de Ghana ko baby a enye eno echi NDC for support so eno sadia say ye hwe mampan rintimen se san dia parliament ye wotumi bi ayi betimi afaso ya show mampanyin na wakire na adwen wo ho edimo mi emfa sa akwan no so censor motion me patro den na MPP fu and support to NDC censorship no o man say we have we are central because party issue directive say mamon support to enti adan na no de papa na ne NDC ye de enye papa kwame mesra wo honorable enya sa na parliament eduma no wo ye nenen ese say wo ko ha ye wo mra wo de hihye bibia wo ho ne ayaka ne say ye pese ye mie ngani say de sanse me betu yen achi because wo mampanyin na adwen ne say ono de ne be ma ne ho ato no nkoa no be ye e wo man amamu na obu no mu a emma oman no enko nanim bibia dedi say amamu no enko nanim nti aba aban na dua no ereso ababone ene yen ka mene yen ene ebi ne egusu ayekan anka mra shekete enya at the discretion of the president nor the finance minister say or the common fund back of various assemblies no de akoye adwuma enya ne pe ne mo mra hye no say yechemu anang afinu mu no yechemu anang first quarter second quarter third quarter fourth quarter mebwa nti quarterly bi ano ese sika wagije revenue no what the percentage bi mrane kire say ense say less than 5% ense say ebro 7.5% under President Mahama or man now or the 7.5% of our total revenue no and or the assembly common fund administration 7.5%. And Nana Kufuado, Dr. Baumia, and Uraken of Rata, what the 5% into a buy no Wangso. What Wangso no so, Sikana Wangaji Jeff your man for her. And you won't do. As I say, watch him, no other various assemblies, no other choir assembly no Juma. One fan koi since 2018. 2018, oh, about 2023. How many years? 5 more years. 5 solid points. Solid years. Abangi in releases Sikasa, there be areas. Into ayo one. Say ne baller. Amini omengi.
Okay.
Ayo one. Say ne suku danso pa. Abangi nyesi kam fanko. Just be a DC. For innovative ways be. Answer with me akwakoye. Ayo one. Say akwanga siu. Na poto takura won't mean tatare. Ayo one. Say ne sika what the be assembly majuma. Assembly no workers. Sika so di tua wonko. Abang fanko. Into revenue. A drop. Baby make a crap masema. And some kakrebi and never found no good inti. And no cock of head police fool a cropon a himfi. A cropon. Miss Ankabium, a cropon will crack in the president. Mamma Kamasem. But it's not a good comment. Oh, why not? Why not? Why not? Police for no that is the allegation.
And then the infantry.
What the 25
allegation there?
That is exactly. And you can say it's alleged. But you were so emphatic. So I say, perhaps he belongs to the other gates. In Tibia, okay. Get some. So I say, they were see a hinful. Okay. We bet Maka wants them. Okay. As you want him and I. Baby, abandoned who question. And you no mum say near my baby, no, and no name your papa. And the car at that assembly in the Coman Yasam Ketwa. Okay, so your car was saying was security, and Yasam Ketwa. Sikano so fanko. Yakwaba, Yaba, Mensin Cratchet, Quam Puku CID, Clement to Puku GMF. I mean, we are some. Nobody will be Yano Preco. Also, any castle can fight. Say may see what parliament, which is one Casacra no support to say. As a Senka, NDC for call, no. MPs in our support. No, that's the bottom line. It's only who yao. So can also near yao plan say. Never support the crime. What's in there yao plan? Asaba, Mama Sanka, Ofusu campaign train with Dimuti, Ofusu, mediation power. The campaign manager. It's every obviously mini Obi war. Asempas, hey, Pentecost for the boy campaign. So, Chairman, I see you get here. Good morning. Yakoka, former chairman of Swamp of Honor, Oyabe had my fear that in the moment that in the question that name I made a form. Sir, Yakotai, the Chikama Kama. And Chebe PJ, when you were down for the last weekend, no see it. Della, Della could say, you. Oh. Ashama. O se Akufo-Addo amamo troka. The same kruma. Oh, Della. Yes. Baby, Obia. This weekend is your chairman. Okay, your chairman. Yeah, but unim dinu krema na boy and common fund there. Debi na ka se dinu kra, menya no kwafo ana. Debi. Also the amanyo 17 in sha.
na okasa no.
You said I'm a kind.
Akoye amanyo
sem.
But we know because on this particular subject, it's difficult for you to talk about.
I take exceptions to that.
I withdraw
yes.
that statement.
Go unim me. Unim say me no kwafo. See, me methodist ni.
Manu na pa on this conversation.
Good.
Eti ko wasem so. Eti kan di wom kire.
Omai.
Obaje no to kan di wom kire.
Fantastic. Ero de. Omai say o hwe amamu na yebu na me mete ha ni. Me district chief executive. Me Mpensenpensemu Kratch panyin. Nya Kratch keke. Mpensenpensemu Kratch panyin. Nti me na me si Nana Kufuado anemu wo me Mpensenpensemu me ana me sanso si local government minister anemu ewo ho chief of staff who you central government ni nyina ye me ana me si o mu nyina anemu asem bia me ka bia no facts and figures me am chairman be science and data o man say o hwe article 252 of the constitution 252 of 1992 constitution and the chair this assembly common fund kwan ya emfa so na ye ntoto nioma nti uba article 2522 na eno na ekire the percentage I was say ojiji scanning nyina what the call nti we was say subject to the provision of this constitution parliament shall annually make provision for the allocation of not less than 5% of the total revenues of Ghana to the District Assembly for development, semicolon about. And the amount shall be paid into the District Assembly Common Fund in quarterly installments. Operative words I'm used to here.
Quarterly, no.
Quarterly installments. Now, memo documents be we classified documents about my office. Other district assemblies in will be. Oko district assembly common fund website ewo. Me hu arrears and this before ne ka say ewum. So much me kire ya. Because as far as I'm concerned, this is a letter I free district assembly common fund buy dated 28th October 2022. Etuya the first quarter of 2022 District Assembly Common Fund amaye. Nti letter do ha. Betimi dia kire eni semeboa. Omai uba the same day no esanso tuya second quarter emaye. And the say tuya third quarter and we 13th December. The tuya third quarter of 2022 emaye. Nti a car akawum as far as I'm concerned and as far as me books,
fourth quarter,
fourth quarter of 2022. No, Anna, it's not me reading constitution, no, amount or say quarterly installments, and then 30th March. I think that the first quarter of 2023, I and you and they. And what happens? They say 2022 last quarter, which is the fourth quarter. I was say free ne echo yensaka. Next year clear for last year. Then the DNA woman also they know Asha say. Common fund has always been in arrears
last quarter.
Last quarter. Edidiko because I feel scan yajeje. Inti yajeje no afin yeba be yere yeba betua. Inti with these documents are available. Make me the ama team on betu team so am obi ahwe.
So as we speak, there is only a quarter.
That's quarter come to me. Baby, I mean where they are getting their source from. And I'm speaking as a district chief executive of the current administration. Who bet me afraid any other metropolitan, municipal, or district chief executive.
Voluntarily, I was a Mpensenpensemu Kratch for be
exactly
voluntarily.
And this document is available.
Onye DC ya, onye MC ya, menfre. Voluntarily. O come baby I Mpensenpensemu Kratch. Wadaroma. O man cost so ni bia na yeka. Nti eye 0302 211 701 equity 4. 0302 211 701 equity 4. I'll be very happy because in commodity bar, we don't need to waste time and propagate around it. Yeah, for
clarity,
no problem. You're back to it. But we are Mpensenpensemu Kratch MC.
Because
MPs
just call aspect of the common fund.
I'll come to that.
Your MP.
MP for common fund.
And they were assembly Nankasa. Inti, Nini my clarity was Nini na Abba, and maybe MPs diakem. Into maybe I will call for from that 2018.
So the MPs common fund, me need control also.
Okay.
Me need access to it. I cannot speak for or against say Abba and say mine.
Maybe
I can confirm from a district finance officer say MPs common fund no is it in arrears? Because as far as I'm concerned, meaning say MP, even me MP, our deputy minister, honorable Michelle, we have a office. Assets last month krano na owuska hakra wo ne common fund mu a project bi ana oye ofre me say yemfa sika no bi enkonkotua cement bi ni na manema omo ade ma communities bi enti no I cannot say common fund no for the MPs no aspect no am I fully and I say above fully and then MPs no na betimi aboa but me the documents available the district assembly's common fund the administrative part there. I'm telling you, the fourth quarter no na akem.
Okay, so the position of the minority is simple. The minority in parliament is calling on the finance minister Ken Oforiatta to immediately release common funds for the district assembly common fund. So specifically, they are dealing with you,
not the MPs.
Not the MPs.
Good. Into another year.
Third party account too.
No, according to the minority, government must pay arrears owed the common fund since 2018. So they open it up again.
Okay.
So which of the common funds?
That's what
the MP's common fund or the DC? Okay. So speaking, okay. So clearly, maybe Dominic Kisiya Boane just do the checks and see whether the MP's common fund as of 2018. Peter Kwachiaka, oh, show me a friend. Now, Mami Udieko. As of 2018, it will be
2018.
Yeah. And I make say me
because I learned from most of them about it.
Yeah, 2018.
Until your mind me. Mama document.
Who didn't give ever to MP?
Capitation grant when you faso.
Papa.
Mofra primary school physical. Esa bank dem 2 years ni on fa ma on ye.
Not a dime. Me dear. Document I can print his best send documents.
Deputy ranking member, press conference about that.
Me print it. I was saying because the way I was started your money there. My print documents we are.
Because almost as a way lack of a better my
yeah. Exactly. Na MPs one. Yeah. Because Obeka say Brian Obabe approve Iraq and Oforiatta. I think
because
after 2024 no. Na arrears be our advance bi no de ma won a mo gina so to abama nti anya won asem
2018 but I'm confused. There are specific patriotic speaking at a press conference. Minority Chief Whip Governance Kwame Agboja said the non-payment of the fund has halted operations at some district assembly. So clearly he's talking about the assembly.
We are operating.
I think that when your statement in India, but number share. Na munya sa clarity no.
All right, so wrap up now.
Yeah. Near yeah can say tell me kan aban enye sika chen aban bia waba oman yiso since 1992. Nanso ye ni bibia ebetimi e de akire say oh sika botting ana sika dodo idea ma aban yi e bia e ho faso aye nyani. Honorable Abuja Sunday statement be beto ne Twitter handle na ne no person chere say sika abedi aban yinsem ye over 800 billion Ghana cedis. 800 billion Ghana cedis. Last week in Zobeka I said bra na worry debate state of nation address our parliament young majority leader minority leader my name says no here for na majority na for na minority number no person work number na because it is time say ma me adwa safu so ho so ni ho ntino wo hwa na number na ya ibi but me fan say senate na no minority leader Ora Kasli Ato Force utie ni submission about state of so na oba bonten be kire sika dodo a abedi aban yinsem na within that same range over 800 billion.
Yentie Kwame. Hello, na Kwame, they said DC the Kwame. Hello, Kwame.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah.
Kwame, who is DC?
Me person me contribute to the debate about the common fund.
But who is DC?
David.
Oh.
Okay, we were specific. Next time, no one contribute. Why? We were so specific on that. Okay, so
Omahine, Sikano less than 3% in our even road infrastructure. So you declare 3 times year of roads. Mebwa.
Of our quarter.
Yes, second year. More for me, child, baby, in initial action. It's in council action of a memento income. One, a Sika come Diana Mimlemu of our Mokata. Because I don't know his Sikaso. Sika never called finance minister. So finance minister, Eddie Sikane ma, and now you're going to contractors. Into your man, near Ecosono, the BIA can say, a banging modern bo was Sika some crack, Sika so heno, and so ni, and the dear Bedu baby away. And no, dear, now, and Yaman wants a president, Mamma, Asher bosses oba. Nankopo in Adom, no sound the 2 minutes and a bioma. Or better to Ghana Sikasa Manesi, because why you be that? Why you be that me? Ansa obefi akonwaso no na Ghana nkasa ya bofoto ahoro be ya nanko enum ye nga yensika negum ebi ye GIF ebi friend then sinking fund ebi stabilization fund, a whole lot.
I think the minority should come again, because it's clearer here that they are calling for government to pay the disassembly common fund, and so the assemblies are not in operation, they are ineffective. And we have a DC here or testifies last
quarter of last year.
So that's what the picture. So even here clarity. So many. Okay. And so any
okay, best
let me yes, I floor prices. Just a minute.
It's a minute. Yami had Magana Bepim saying the ever control my on the taxes, new taxes na introduced.
BBO.
I'll call on the
new taxes BBO.
Obawa.
Near yet to win. Taxes for Frubio.
Yeah, if you go to my bishop be man.
Or man Benso.
If you go to my man.
One credit Maya was Angel Bigum.
Eti uti krumna kazi krumwa ebo ebo
be and won't your tax for Ghana.
But to credit that down
to credit the whole and and yes, or to tax in him. To credit the whole discount to
our discount.